Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, July 24th. This is New York session, and it's going to be another live trading video. So, we're going to just do our pre-market analysis. So, we always need to start from the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, we do see that we are approaching previous day low as well as previous week's low. So, that could be our draw on liquidity for today. Market is looking pretty bearish as we do have this big bearish candle. And then we're going to scale down to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour time frame, we do have this bearish 4 hour gap here, resting above. So if price were to come back up here, I would look for shorts to previous week's low. And on the hourly, I actually don't see much from the hourly. Maybe this change in the state of delivery, right? This change in the state of delivery, giving us more confidences to go short today. But if price were to open high, we do have the 4 hour above, as well as this 1 hour rejection. And then coming to the 15-minute time frame, we do have a 15-minute gap here. Yeah. So that is pretty much what I have for today. And obviously I do have my session highs and lows. So if I take my ICT kills zones and pivots indicator, we do have our London low, Asia high, and yeah, everything else would be marked in a pink line. What else do we have? That is pretty much it. But I do want to anticipate either one of these to be our targets for our draws and liquidity, either the 4 hour time frame, bearish gap, or the previous week's low gap. Honestly, I do want more of the previous week's low gap, as we do have sell side resting above here. And if we look at the bigger picture, this does look like an accumulation range. So I do want to see something like this, where we just shoot up, right? Hit some sort of high time frame gap, market structure shift, and we come down to the previous week's low. That is what ideally I want to see for today. But if we don't, and we do something like this where we open low, right, take out the previous week's low, and then we rebalance to the 4 hour gap, that could be something I would like to see too. So we're going to try to stay patient today as we are on the first day of the 25K funded account. So we're going to de-risk today. Whoa, why do I have 15? I'm going to go to 4 today. Okay, so we're not going to go nuts today as it is a Friday. So yeah, market opens in about 5 minutes. And yeah, we're just gonna smack TP today and enjoy the rest of our weekend. We have our ice Americano. Honestly, I do have to control my spending on these coffees because I do have Celsius packets that I just bought from Amazon, but I'm not. It's too much work for me to just buy a bottle of water and fucking make it. But it's not a lot of work for me to go and spend money on fucking convenience. Yeah. 3 minutes till market opens. And yeah. Look, we have any hourly gaps here. Yeah, so I do want to see like previous week's low get hit today. these highs, all right? Possible draws in liquidity. So we mark out everything to make our trade less of a gamble, more obviously context, narrative related. So do we have any other sell side resting below? Oh, okay, cool. So we also have a 4-hour gap here, all right, that we just need to mark out. We also have another 4-hour gap here. And we also have this volume imbalance. So we have a 4-hour volume imbalance here. Okay, so we have our volume imbalance. Just put that as VI. And yeah. Okay, so if price were to hit any one of these levels, right, we would take longs to these relative equal highs, or even up to this 15-minute gap if it never reaches it. Yeah. We do have an SMT on the 15-minute. For 30 seconds. Probably make this volume balance line like orange or some shit. I don't know. Make it. It's gonna look at price from the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Okay, so ES just taps into this volume imbalance here. If this fucking plays, oh my god, that would be crazy. I don't like this one. Like, I don't like this just because we do have sell side resting below. Like, this would be a crazy pattern trade, although this is like some sort of little AMD going on. I don't know. To me, I just don't like it. I mean, if it plays out, then it plays out, but it's not something I would take. We also have this larger 15 on ES. I mean, ideally, I guess a good long would be up to the 15-minute gap. Yeah, we're just like ranging in this area. So it's a nice V shape though. Oh no, don't tell me this is the resweep. Oh, fuck. Oh man. Okay, so this damn. We also do have this 1 minute over here. Then again, I do want this 15 to get tapped. do want this 15 to get tapped into. Yeah, I mean, if it goes, it goes. I don't really like this move. It's not a move that I particularly like, just because we do have the 15 here. If we didn't have a 15, I would have taken that. But being that we do have this 15, it's a little dangerous for me to take that, just because I do not think this high is protected. If we get one more resweep into the 15 and then we short from there, okay, fine, that's cool. But yeah, oof. Actually, I think this might just go. We have a nice change in the state here. We retested that, and it does look like the price just wants to go down here. I'm gonna stay patient because I'm I don't need to lose today for like a dumb reason. If I take a losing trade, but it's a trade that I'll take 9 times out of 10, okay, that's different. But if I'm losing off of something that's like careless and like, yeah, then no. Yeah, this would have been a nice trade if no 15 here, but I mean, if price wants to come back up for like one more resweep, that'd be great. But being that we're so close to London low and Asia low, we might just take them out. Yeah. We also have this large inverse 15 over here. You guys can see these. We have this inverted 15. So it's another nice confluence. It's for shorts. Okay, so it looks like price is going to take these lows. It would be kind of crazy if prices shoots back up and then we just leave this. We just edge it. And it's about to hit. All right, so London got hit. So it should make its way down to Asia now. Yeah, all right, so both lows get taken. Damn, tragic. Damn, so we never. Okay, so we have this 5-minute here, a resweep. That's okay. We'll look for 5-minute continuation. Whoops. Oh my God, what am I doing? Not seeing anything here. It's okay. If I miss that move, it's okay. No, the previous week's low is about to get hit. Damn. Okay, so we do have this 5 here. looks like we might have a no trade day today. Or we could just wait for 10 a.m. I mean, do we have any 10 a.m. news? It's fucking Friday, so I doubt. Oh, Trump speaks at 9 p.m. today, but it's 9 p.m. Unless he does some dumb shit and then he just tweets randomly. Bro, to previous week's low. Oh man, that was crazy. A crazy neck crack. Okay, if we don't take previous week's low and we open up this 15, okay, I'll look for something. If we're truly bearish. And it looks like the assets are getting a bit decoupled now. ES is rising. Oh shit, are we hitting a resweep? Okay. Assets are decoupling. ES is making higher highs. Now, damn. All right. Wow. No fucking way we edged that shit. Shit, I gotta piss. Be right back. No! Fuck, bro. The minute I go take a piss. No! No fucking way. Bro! What the fuck? Okay. Oh my god. Alright, yep, we're cooked, guys. We're cooked. No! Bro. 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 You gotta be kidding me, bro. I'm officially mad now. All right, well, no trades today. No fucking trades. Yeah, so that happened. I'm so fucking tight. Well, I would have taken this 15-second, like, no cap. You guys saw me mark it out. How much? Bro. Bro. Oh my God, bro. 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 Now I just want to see this play out. Oh my God. I literally went to take a piss now. I just went to take a piss. Just play out. Just play out, please. Just play out. Yeah, I'm not even gonna fucking force any trades because, like, two. I like this setup a lot. I like this. Oh my God. Yep. The very moment I take a fucking piss. Dude, I went to take a piss and I came back to a fat Drake candle to my direction. Oh my God. All right, well, what do we have on the daily? Yep. Well, that's not good, right? The 1 month. What are we doing on the monthly? Well, that's pretty much it. Damn, bro. This is pretty bad. All right, well, that's pretty much it. I guess I'll catch you guys on Monday because I'm not trading this fucking beautiful price action for Friday. But no, I I took a piss at the wrong time. Oh my God, bro. Like, you guys know I'm not capping when I said I would have taken that, because I clearly marked this area out for a resweep. We marked this area for a resweep. So I'm like, all right, bet. Let me see if I can look for continuations, right? Because I'm like, okay, you know what? It could probably shoot up higher, but I did want this area to get reswept for me to look continuation to the previous week's low, even to the volume imbalance. That's why I marked out all these levels. Bro. Well, it is what it is. Um, yeah. Dude.